Mindful eating and digestion, how your senses shape health. And that's the topic. And hello, I'm Neerja, an Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. Today, I want to speak about something that many people don't immediately connect: the relationship between your mind, your senses, and your digestion. Most of the time, when we think about digestion, we think about food, what we ate, whether it was healthy, whether it suits us. But Ayurveda invites us to look deeper. It asks a very important question: in what state was the food received? Because that often matters just as much as the food itself. Why good food doesn't always feel good. Many people today are eating well, they are choosing fresh foods, making conscious decisions, trying to support their health, and yet they experience bloating, heaviness, irregular appetite, or simply a sense that food is not giving them energy it should. This can be confusing because on paper everything looks right. But digestion is not just a mechanical process. It is deeply influenced by the nervous system, the mind, and the senses. And this is where we begin to understand what might be missing. In Ayurveda, digestion is governed by something called Agni, or the digestive fire. Not just physical digestion, but your body's ability to transform, absorb, and assimilate. And this process begins much earlier than we think. It begins with awareness. The moment you see your food, smell it, anticipate it, your body begins preparing. And this is where the senses come in. From a modern perspective, we understand this through the nervous system. When you are in a relaxed, present state, your body activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state. In this state, digestive enzymes are released, blood flow increases, absorption improves. But when you are stressed, distracted, or rushed, the body shifts into fight or flight mode. And here, digestion is not a priority. Enzymes reduce, absorption is compromised. So even if the food is healthy, the body is not ready to process it. This is why two people can eat the same meal and have completely different experiences. Now, here's where Ayurveda becomes very practical. Your senses are the bridge between your mind and your body. When you engage your senses while eating, you naturally move into a more present, relaxed state. When you don't, the mind stays distracted and the body responds accordingly. Think about how most meals happen today: eating while working, eating while scrolling, eating while watching something, eating while thinking about what's next. And in those moments, your senses are elsewhere. Your mind is occupied. Your body is not fully present. And because of that, digestion is compromised. Over time, this creates a pattern: sluggish digestion, cravings, irregular hunger, a sense of dissatisfaction after meals. There's another layer to this. Your emotional state also affects digestion. If you are anxious, rushed, or upset while eating, the body tightens, the breath becomes shallow, the digestive system becomes less active. According to Ayurveda, this is a disturbance in energy. In modern terms, it is stress response. Now, this doesn't mean you need to be perfectly calm before every meal, but even a small shift in awareness can create a meaningful difference. Here's a simple way to begin. Before your meal, pause. Take 2 or 3 slow breaths. Allow your body to settle. Bring your attention to your food. Notice the colors, the aroma. Even this small pause signals to the body that it is safe to receive nourishment. When you begin to eat with awareness, you are not just improving digestion, you are training your nervous system from doing into receiving. And this affects more than digestion. It influences energy, mental clarity, emotional steadiness, because the way you eat is connected to the way you live. In today's fast-paced world, whether you are in a busy workplace, managing a household, or navigating a demanding lifestyle, the nervous system is often in constant activity. Meals become a task, something to get through. But what if meals became a reset, a moment where the body returns to balance? This doesn't require more time. It requires a shift in attention from habit to awareness. Instead of asking, is this food healthy? You begin to ask, how is my body receiving this? How do I feel after eating? What changes when I slow down? A simple practice for today: for one meal, sit without distraction, take a few breaths, and bring attention to the first few bites. Notice the taste, the texture, the experience. Even that is enough. And over time, these small shifts create awareness, and awareness creates change. Not forced change, but natural, sustainable change. You begin to understand your body. You begin to trust your experience. And this is where true well-being begins. If there is one thing to take from this, it is this: digestion is not only about food, it is about the state in which food is received. And your senses are the gateway to that state. So the next time you eat, pause and ask yourself, what is my state right now? Because that awareness alone can begin to transform your experience. And if this way of understanding health resonates with you, you may choose to explore it more deeply in a way that is practical, grounded, and integrated into daily life. Remember that in old times, many cultures had the concept of food prayer, and I think it is the same thing, bringing your awareness to the food and bringing your awareness or changing the state in which you receive that food. So, time to reflect. Thank you.